Hello, what's up, guys? How are you, everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today, I have one Honda Odyssey, and this car have a problem. When I start car, engine light and traction light is there. You can see customer came for this fault, and then I check with my diagnosis tool. I got fault P0108 manifold absolute pressure sensor map sensor circuit high voltage. That means wiring open. P0108, I will show you where is the location and how you can solve this problem. Okay, here is the engine room, and this is the map sensor. Customer told me they, I think, do some mechanical work, and then this light came. They didn't fix this. When came customer, I get like this. They didn't fix properly this map sensor wire. That's the problem. Here is the map sensor location. Okay, so fix it properly. And reset fault code. Okay, ignition off and on, and start car. You can see here engine and traction light gone. Perfect. Okay, thank you.